Hello, I'm Todd Williams, and thank you for choosing Successful Projects for your educational needs. This course is a combination of learning methods that include reading textbooks, listening to lectures, doing assignments, and taking knowledge check quizzes. We have worked hard to make it interactive and fun. The lecture is primarily handled by my associate. He's sort of my electronic alter ego.
Hello, nice meeting you. We've developed a number of case studies and examples that are close to real situations, and I will literally walk you through them. If you think they seem a little outlandish, they're all based on real-life scenarios, but are often changed to conceal the actual project.
Exactly. We have tried to make each element of this course a learning experience. To that end, nearly all of our knowledge checks allow you to change your answer on a second try and provide reasons for each answer. On some screens, there are replay buttons and options to recall summary data to make it easier to focus on the learning and not memorizing some number from 10 minutes ago. It's worth noting that we chose questions that are often in a very gray area. That's because project management is not black and white. We felt that simple questions would be a disservice to you.
Trying to describe all this here is too hard. Let me show you how the course works, so you'll understand it better. Let me walk you through some of the features. All of the sessions start by defining the session's learning objectives and ends with a talk about the takeaways. I will walk you through a given topic using examples and case studies to support the concept. When we are done with the topic, there will be one or more knowledge checks depending on the complexity of the topic. We use 4 or 5 styles of knowledge checks depending on the topic. Many knowledge checks have multiple answers because there are often many options in real life. In nearly every case, you are provided with the reasons for the answers and a chance to correct your answers. This means you may need to click the Submit button twice. On some knowledge checks, you'll have a replay button so that you can replay the scenario and not have to remember everything they said before. In some cases, you'll have another button that replaces the need for you to take notes of numbers and details that were said. The result is that even knowledge checks are learning tools. To increase your interactivity, there are a number of layouts for accessing the lesson's material. These are selected based on the type of topic. If the topic is about a flow, then a flowchart may be used. If the topic is talking about relative scales, then a slider or dial may be used. After you explore a topic, a check mark or some indicator will let you know that you have visited that topic. All of this is to help reinforce the topic's concept. There are also numerous controls on the screen. The volume is here and controls the volume of the session. The previous button takes you to the last screen you were on, not the previous screen in the course. This is because you can actually change the sequence of taking the course. We're trying to follow your path. The next button is restricted to topics you've already heard. This is because there's a build in the material and it preserves the level of progression. The other controls are Help to answer some basic questions, Menu to allow you to navigate to topics you've already heard, Resources, where you will find all the resources discussed in this course. You can download them and use them as you please. Glossary is where you will find the terms that we first use in this course related to this topic. You will also find this entire conversation in the Help menu. This should give you a good overview of how to use this course. After looking at this and exploring Help, if you have any questions on the online portion of this course, email the course administrator with your question. We both look forward to seeing you.
The same from me. I look forward to seeing you very soon. Have a great day.